Hello and welcome to another quick little Google Read and Write video tutorial on translation. Right now I've got the dictionary, the picture dictionary, and the translator all up. And a quick little reminder, this will turn your dictionary on, it's going to turn your picture dictionary on, and this double curved arrow is the translator. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously you've got to, if it doesn't show up, depending on whether you're on a website or on a Google Doc, you got to click that read and write purple puzzle piece. Then you have it here, and you're going to go get your translator, but you need to set your language. So you're going to once again go to these three dots by the X over here on the right, and you're going to go to options. From speech, you're going to choose your translation. You've got Chinese, you got Spanish, you've got German, so whatever you need is there. Okay, so right now I've got it set as Chinese simplified, and I'm going to say OK, and all you have to do is double click the word, and there's your translation. You can obviously have your dictionary on at the same time. Set that over there. You can have your picture dictionary on at the same time. And then we can move to here, Chinese translation. If you want to hear it, the word in the sentence, you can press play.
Read. Reading text out loud. You can use Google Read and Write to hear web pages and documents read aloud with natural voices.
And stop. And that is Google Read and Write translation. If you want to translate entire passages, you can't do that in Google Read and Write. You need to use Google Translate. Thanks for watching.